Okay. So, mag-a-add naman ako ng video sa LP5. So, I'll start with 12.15. Calculate the percent by mass of the solute in each of the following aqueous solutions. So, percent by mass. Madali lang to. For letter A, that is percent by mass is solute over solution. So, solute over solution. So, percent by mass. Sabihin na lang natin ganyan yung notation niya. 5.50 grams of sodium bromide. So, yun yung solute. Diretso na kagad yan. So, you have 5.50 grams. 5.50 grams of NaBr. Tapos, yung baba niya is 78.2. 78.2 grams of solution. So, times 100, that would give us 5.50 over 78.2 times 100, and that would give us 7.03%. So, for A, that is in 3 significant figures. Tatlo-tatlo lang yung binigay niya. Next, 31 grams in 152 grams of water. So, dito, medyo sa letter B, percent by mass, you have 31 grams of KCl. So, 31 grams of potassium chloride divided by solution. So, yung solution dito ay water pa rin at saka KCl. So, plus mo pa rin to. Kasi solute ito yung solvent lang. So, 31 plus 152. So, dito banda is 31 plus 152. Ano to na? Grams of solution. So, times 100%. So, 31 all over 31 plus 152. That would give us 16.9. 16.9%. Of course, in 3 significant figures kasi tatlo. May dalawa sorry, 152, 31. That is 3 significant figures. Letter C is 4.5 of toluene in 29 grams of benzene. So, yung pinakamaliit, siya yung solute. So, itong toluene. Okay? So, pareho pa rin. So, you have letter C. Percent by mass. You have, yung maliit kasi yung solute. Kasi itong dalawa, tulad yan ng alcohol at tubig. Pwede yan silang maghalo to the infinite. Kahit konti yung tubig, maraming alcohol, konting alcohol, maraming tubig, maghalo yan. So, ibig sabihin, yung distinction natin ng solute at solvent, kung sinong mas maliit, siya yung solute. So, dito, yung 4.5 yung maliit. So, 4.5 gram all over 4.5 plus 29. Okay? So, ito yung grams ng solution. So, times 100%. So, that would give us 4.5 all over 4.5 plus 29. And that would give us 13.4. 13.4%. Okay? So, that is how to solve those. So, number 6 na. Thank you guys for listening.